In this video, I am going to show you how to buy Bitcoin using Cash App. If you wish to deposit using a debit card, so you can load up your Cash App account and buy Bitcoin using that money. So, after you deposit your money and do everything, now it's time to buy Bitcoin with the Cash App. Once your account is set up and funded, you can proceed to buy Bitcoin. From the Money home screen, select the Bitcoin tile. Click on Buy Bitcoin. Choose the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. By default, it's set as one-time order, meaning you'll pay the current market price and the order won't repeat. Review your order details, including the funding source and the amount of Bitcoin you're buying. And if everything looks correct, click Confirm, so you may need to verify the order with a PIN or biometric ID if you have set up. And after the purchase, you can view your Bitcoin balance on the Money home screen. Congratulations, you've successfully deposited funds and bought Bitcoin using Cash App. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.